Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to duplicate a team in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. In the left side of the screen, we have the activity, the community, we have the chat and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to teams and the search bar in the top side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and duplicate a team in Microsoft Teams. So launch the Teams app on your desktop or web browser and open on the left side bar, click on the Teams icon. After that, click on Join or Create a Team at the bottom of your Teams list and click on Create Team. Then choose Create for Existing Team. Select the team you want to duplicate from the list of teams you are a member of. Enter a name, description, and privacy settings for the new team. You can also choose to keep the channels, tabs, and apps from the original team. Click Create to finalize the duplication process. Your new team will be created with the same structure as the original team, making it easy to replicate settings and channels. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.